Hey, you guys, this is Keenan Lewis, aka your travel buddy, also known as your travel hero, here saving you from the headache, taking the guesswork out of, and saving you from the typical stresses associated with booking travel the traditional way. Today, I just be doing a quick tutorial on how to get started from the link that's located directly under all of my videos. So if you just saw this information for the first time, you said, wow, I can't believe there's something out there like this, and I'm ready to get started. And so all you would do, you would just scroll down under my video. All the links to get started is in every one of them. So what you do is just scroll down under my video, select which link to choose. My phone number is also located. I would list emails, but emails can take maybe days or whatever to get back to. I'm direct and I'm personal and I'm transparent. So if you want to get started and you have any questions, just use that number below, 984-215-1368, and just call me directly. Send me a text message and say, hey, I'm ready to get started. Call me and say, hey, Keenan, my travel buddy, what's up? I'm ready to get started. And if I don't answer your phone call, I'm available around 16 out of the 24 hours per day. So if I don't answer your phone call, then I'm either on the phone with the client or doing something constructive on the other line, and I'll get back to you within usually 1 hour. So that's my number, and these are the links. So if you want the business and the representative, use the first one. If you want to just be a member only, which a lot of my team is just members only, use the second link, and I'll get why in a second. I'm not going to go through the whole sign up process, you guys. I just want to show you the link and show you the basics so you can go ahead and get started ASAP. So once you click this first link, you say, I want to become a member and I want the business. It will take you to this website. This is my personal website, and when you sign up, you will get one too. And simple, you will just click sign up. And once you click sign up, you will select whatever country you are currently residing. You will just select your country. Again, we do business in 34 different countries. So you would just, most of my members and friends are from the United States. So that's what they would choose. And then you just scroll down and click continue. After you click continue, you will just scroll through whatever level of membership you want, and you will just select it. It's the standard membership. You can read the description, and you can click learn more to find out more about it, and that's the price. Same thing with DreamTrips Gold, description, learn more, price. DreamTrips Platinum, which is my favorite, description, learn more, and there's the price. Become a representative, same thing. If you want the business, and let's just say for illustrative purposes, you want the gold membership and you want to become a representative, you just simply select it, and there you go. And the same thing, this is for, I just like to make this note, this is for people between the ages of 18 and 25. We have what we call our DreamTrips series, which is for students and young professionals. You don't have to be a student. You don't have to be a professional. You just have to be between the ages of 18 and 25. So if you fall in that category, we have a cheaper, discounted version of our membership and representative system that's just for you. Hey, we got something for everyone, right? Again, DreamTrips U membership, description and price. You want to learn more? Feel free. DreamTrips U Gold, same thing, description, learn more. And also the College Young Professional Program with our representative system. There you have it. Also, we have for our representatives, if you would like to get training every day for everyday purposes, sign up for our World Ventures Advantage. I encourage it. It's great. You have two versions of it. The first version is the full version. You get hundreds of live training audio, video, training audio and videos that will assist you in your business with the things like inviting, closing, prospecting, and all that. You will have that for your benefit, or you can also get the World Ventures Advantage Lite program. That's a program that's strictly for your cell phone. Basically, you will be able to join our Facebook group where the leaders of our company every Sunday drop training, drop knowledge, drop jewels. You also can get that. You can get one of them or you can get both, whichever one suits your budget. And also, we have a heart to serve and we have a passion for giving. If you'd like to make a donation to our World Ventures Foundation so we can continue to support different groups like the Boys and Girls Club, you can make a one-time donation or you make a recurring donation. It's up to you. You don't have to donate. You can if you like, if you have a heart for giving. Okay, so people, that's just basically it. You select which one you want, you scroll down and you click continue. And this is what I'm not going to get into detail with because it's self-explanatory. It's like you was applying for anything else or filling out any other information. You just scroll down, select all your information, ownership, individual, company, male, female, name, birth date, language, social security number. You have to enter your social security number for tax purposes if you become a representative. You also have to enter it if you just want the membership. There's no getting around it. No one is trying to hack your identity or anything like that. It's just a must. You see website URL, subdomain. This is where you will enter, like you see my website says KeenanLewis.worldventures.biz and KeenanLewis.dreamtrips.com. If your name is John Smith, that's what you'll want to put there, John Smith. So your website will be johnsmith.worldventures.biz, johnsmith.dreamtrips.com. You don't want to put anything crazy in there like freak nasty 69, at .worldventures.biz, because you're going to be sharing this URL with the same way I'm sharing you mine, so people can get started with you. So you want to keep it sensible. Just use your name or something that's very sensible. And if your name is not available, you can add a number like John Smith 2, John Smith 3, John Smith 252 or whatever. And if your name alone is not available, and then you just share that with people so they can get started with you. Then account information, you guys, all this stuff is standard: email, passwords, security question, cell phone, mailing addresses, because you will be receiving some packages from us once you get started, whether you're a representative, member, or a member. You'll be receiving some gifts from us, basically. So then shipping address, so you can receive those. Then you click continue, and once you click continue, you just proceed with entering your credit card and your payment information. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I'm not going to go through and fill all that out. It's like simple as filling out any other application, but I do want to go and talk about the membership. If you just want the membership, come to this website, and the only reason why is because you get to see just examples of some memberships, and you see the benefits of it. I mean, if you want the membership, and you also can come here if you just want to take a quick look at that. But I know people that's interested in membership like to come here so they can see all the benefits, or they can also browse through more detailed version of the PDF, detailed version of the benefits here. And then, you just get to read up a little bit more on it. This is great for people who just want the membership. And then you get to see example of some trips. So you see the platinum only dream trips. If you become a platinum member, you have plenty of those. So don't just think those are the only two. Then you also see gold member. You see what's that? Volcanic hot springs in Santorini, that's Greece. So you see an example of a couple of trips. And also if you just want to become a standard member, which is good, especially if you're like in a money bind, it is good. But eventually I expect you to upgrade so you can take full advantage of our product and what we have to offer. So this is just for people who want to become a member only. And let's just say you can just click become a Dream Trip Gold member. Same process, same identical process. I just like the people who want to become a Dream Trips member only, just to have that initial time to just look through the benefits and just see a couple of trips. And it's more catered to people who want the membership only. That's the same exact process once you get past that first screen. So I'm not going to go back into detail, just same thing, country, all your information, then you select how you want to pay. You can go ahead and get started. But remember, contact me if you want to get started. Please contact me if you want to get started. If you have any questions, just to let me know, hey, Keenan, my travel buddy, my travel hero, look, you just saved me from a lot of time and headache in the future from booking travel. Hey, first, I just like to let you know that I'm down signing up to join, and boom, I can walk you through some of this stuff. Or if you have any questions, hit me up. If not, go ahead and sign up, and I can get you started with navigating through websites and getting apps and stuff on your phone so you can book trips right from your phone. I can get you started with all that. Just let me know so I can go ahead and take care of that with you. So that's basically it in a nutshell, you guys, how to get started with my links. That's located under each and every one of my videos, my phone number, if you want to contact me. But this has been a pretty quick video. I wanted to keep it under 10 minutes because I know people have a lot of things going on. So if you have any more questions, feel free to hit me up. This is again Keenan Lewis, your travel buddy, also known as your travel hero, saving you from headache, taking the guesswork out of, and saving you from the typical stress that's associated with booking travel the traditional way. Again, this has been great. And remember, don't talk to me unless it's about affordable travel or adding an additional stream of income to your life. Peace. Have a good one.